Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dollar effects for your avatar. So if you look for that soft, elegant, and feminine dollar aesthetic in Berry Avenue, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can create the perfect outfit for your avatar. So what you need to do here, let's just go to the avatar and I'm going to do the hair first. So click on the body and tap on the hair. Remove the one you're currently using and then just search for this. So for the first one, I'm going to go with casual side part hairstyle. And in here, you'll see lots of options. I'm going to just choose the black color. Okay, now the second hair, you can combine this two. The second is a black messy curly hair. Hit on enter again and then just choose the one that you think fits with your style. Okay, this one's right here. And now for the accessories, you can just find this one, black bangs full combo. Sorry, and hit on enter. Okay, you can just choose which one to perfect your hair. I'm going to use this one, the third one on the list. And after that, you can add also this necklace. So I'm going to go with the vintage couture necklace. Okay, I'm going to use the first one on the list. And lastly, I'm going to find this Y2K ribbon. Sorry, for the belt, I'm going to add this ones right here. The Y2K ribbon belt. Okay, I'm going to add the pink color. And now for the clothing, you can click on the shirt and find this girly school Colgate. Let's remove this one first, the one that I'm currently using. Okay, I'm going to use this one, or let's try another color. Okay, so I'm going to use the one from the second row, and here I'm going to find now vintage Y2K still on a shirt. You can combine it or just search from this one. I think I'm going to use this one. And for the pants, I'm going to add this ID. Okay, this ID is right here. Tap on add and you'll get this pants. And now for the boots, I'm going to go to the pants here and search for the Hawaii winter boots. Here I'm going to choose the black one. And now this is the final look. If you want, you can add some more accessory, but that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.